Your dress is so pretty.
Don't touch it.
Anna, my beautiful girl, this is just for you. You are the only one who deserves this.
You are my precious princess. You are so beautiful and so special to me. I love you so much.
Mom, do I look nice too? I try to make my dress look pretty today.
Lily, that dress is too simple. Look at Anna. This is how a real princess should look. Anna deserves the best things.
Even the cat likes Anna more.
Mom and Dad always spend time with Anna. Maybe they don't like me very much, but they are still my parents.
This crown is very expensive. If they think Lily took it, they will be very angry. It worked. Now they will believe it was Lily.
What is happening here? Lily, why is the crown on your head?
What? I don't know. I promise I didn't take it. I really didn't. Please believe me. It worked. Now they will believe it was Lily.
Lily, we trusted you. Lily, you made Mom and Dad angry today.
Look, Lily is sleeping on the floor.
Why is Anna on the bed? Something is not right.
Maybe we judged Lily too quickly. We need to know the truth. Let's pretend we lost all our money. You want to test the girls? Yes.
We need to look convincing.
Wow, this place looks terrible.
This is what you deserve now. She just left. Without looking back.
Dad, I brought some bread and water. I saved my portion for you. You haven't eaten all day.
Lily, you didn't need to do that. Why are you helping us?
Because you are my parents. Even if we are poor, we are still a family.
Wow, this is so touching. A poor little family hugging each other.
That's enough. We are not poor. We only wanted to see your true hearts.
What? It was not real?
Anna, you need to learn a proper lesson about kindness and how to treat your family.
Dad, I'm sorry. I was wrong.
Lily, we're so sorry. You have a kind heart. We didn't understand you, and we are so proud of you.
Lily, I am so sorry. I said your dress was too simple. But you have the most beautiful heart. I was wrong.
Lily, I'm really sorry. I shouldn't have blamed you for the crown. It's okay, Anna. I forgive you.
Lily, this is for you. You deserve something beautiful too.
For me?
You have a beautiful heart, and we are very proud of you.
Can we play together now?
Of course, my dear.
We would love that.
Yay, let's go! Yes! We are two real princesses!
And that is the story of Lily. If this story touched your heart, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Because kindness always wins in the end. See you in the next story.